Good day to those who watch my video. This bag is an old bag already. You see, the outside one is like ugly, and this strap is already torn. And now I will make it cutier with this cloth. This is actually a curtain, and I will wrap it with my bag here like this. I will wrap it like that, but I already have cut for you here. I sew it this side in here, so this side here. This one is the bottom, so I've done it already for you. All I have to do is to sew it from here a little bit, here a little bit, honey, this corner, anyways guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and please to support my YouTube channel. Subscribe my YouTube channel please, and thank you so much for doing so. This is quite hard here. Just like that, and then I will turn this one here like this, and done. Put this button side like this. Are you seeing it, guys? Okay, this one cut already. See, as I said, I never touch the inside part of my bag because it's still nice inside. Only the outside part is ugly. And then now I will do it like this and sew it here again with like this. But I can just put it like this, because when I put it in my shoulder it will be like ticklish. This one I don't like that. Okay guys, I'm done with my bag. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please to support my YouTube channel, and thank you guys. God bless. See, isn't it cute and pretty? I already have a fashionable bag. Thank you guys. Bye.